Hi, I'm Diaper with the Fan Party, and welcome to my channel where I let my creative side run wild. Today I'm going to be making a gender reveal diaper cake. Now, most gender reveal diaper cakes are simply decorated with a boy or girl theme, but this diaper cake actually reveals the gender in a fun and cute way. All the items I'll be using are in the description below. Now let's get started. So the first thing I need to do is make my diaper circles. I need to make 3 diaper circles. The bottom tier, the largest one, will have 30 size 1 diapers. The middle one will have 18 diapers, and the top one will have 7 diapers. So I cascade them in a pan like this and wrap it with a rubber band. And this is what I will do for all 3 diaper circles. All my tiers are made. Now it's time to decorate. I have 3 different ribbons here. They are pink and blue, but like I said, this one actually reveals the gender inside. So for my ribbon, I measure how long I want it to be, and then I cut at that point. Now this design is going to be a little bit different because I'm going to be mixing the pink and the blue. And in order to do that, I measure each of the ribbon halfway through. I'm going to cut the pink ribbon at the halfway mark and do the same thing for the blue ribbon. And I'm going to do that for the rest of the ribbon. So now that I've got the 2 separate pieces cut out, I want them to be as straight as possible. So I have a lighter that I use to seal the ends. Once I've got the ends sealed, I have to combine them. And I'm only going to do it on one side because I'm going to wait until I put this around it. That way I can just attach it, glue it directly to the gray ribbon. Alright, so now I wrap each tier with the gray ribbon. This ribbon is 3 inches wide. And now I wrap it with the combined pink and blue ribbon. So I'm going to make sure the seams of the blue and pink ribbon match the seams of the gray ribbon. I'm just going to glue it in place right here, directly in the middle. And then bring it around and glue it in place in the front. Before I continue with the diaper cake, I'm going to assemble the cutouts. This set of cutouts is available on my site. You can purchase the topper pre-made, or you can purchase the entire set as an SVG file and cut it out yourself. How I put it together is I have tacky glue, and that's it. But it's all separate like this. The tacky glue is really strong, so I don't need too much. So it also comes with these paper bow ties and bows, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use them yet because I have these ribbon bows that I might put on it. I feel like they're kind of small, but I'm going to put these together just so I can see which one looks better. So here's the front of the topper and here is the back. This part goes on the back so it covers the stick. And it helps the topper be more sturdy. So the baby feet I'm going to put in the front with my glue gun. Now to see which one looks better, I put the pink up here and the blue down here, or here. So I think I'm going to go with the paper cutouts because it's the same color as the rest of the cutouts. So this reveal is going to be for a boy. And what I'm also going to do is make little accordion strips that's going to pop out. I'm going to just take a plain sheet of paper, or it can be patterned, it doesn't matter, and fold it like a fan. I have a cardboard tube, it's just an empty paper towel roll, and a 12 by 12 inch sheet of paper that I'm going to wrap the tube with. So before I stick these on, what I'm going to do is cut a hole from one side to the other. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach each one of these around the tube. And I actually made it longer, so I put two of the accordion strips. I just attached them together with some glue, just so it can be longer. So the next thing I want to do is I have to first have a lot of patience, because I have to fold all of these up and wrap it with a piece of paper so it'll stay put. Bear with me. Get it all in. Nice and that. And wrap it closed with a rubber band. Doesn't have to be tight, just something to keep it put. Now what I'm going to do is I'm taking my topper and I'm going to attach some curling ribbon to the stick. Okay, now to put this together, I have to make sure we're going to open this really wide so it'll go through. And then for this one, I actually took out a diaper, so it's only 6 diapers in here. And I made the hole really big because what I decided to do was make a circle and stick it inside of here, and that's what will go on the top. And I'm going to put this inside of the top tier. So now this goes on top. It slides on very easily. And now what I do is I take my baby feet and I put them on. There are 2 paper circles. I'm gonna put them between the 2 paper circles. Now I have to carefully remove the center sheet, and the baby feet might try to come out with it, but just push it back down. Okay, to finish it off, I'm going to stick the streamers inside of the tube. I'm trying to wrap this around. Okay, so now I'm gonna place some shred around the entire perimeter. All right, now to show you how this works. And it's a boy. I like it. Do you like it? I like it. I hope you like my video. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. If you want me to make something, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.